Hello, everybody. I'm Raul Garcia.
Hi, and I'm Sunny Lee.
We are back with our next installment. Sunny, what are we going to be focusing on today?
Yeah, so today we're going to play a little game of the 5 W's: who, what, where, when, and why, around a new accessory that we've just launched for the ZT411 and the ZT421 industrial printers.
Okay, that sounds like fun. So let's get started. What exactly are we looking at here?
So this is a port and cable protector we've launched for the ZT411 and the ZT421. It provides strain relief, taking the strain off of the connectors and the cables of the printer.
Okay, that makes sense. Next question. Why would a customer use this accessory?
Yeah, great question. So the typical use case for the ZT4 is to remain stationary on a tabletop, similar to the one beside you there. However, what we found in many use cases is that end users may, as part of their workflows, be pushing or pulling the printer as it sits on the table for loading media or possibly for service.
Okay. I see. So even though the motion of pulling and pushing the printer may seem minimal, after enough times it can cause wear and tear on the connectors and cables. Is that correct?
Yes, exactly. So this device takes the strain off of those connectors and makes the installation overall just more reliable.
Okay. Next question. Who is a good candidate for this accessory?
So any customer that's noticing increased service calls, and basically anyone that just wants to minimize downtime.
Okay. Last question. Where can customers order this new accessory?
So just below us here on the screen is the part number for the port protector. It comes as a pack of 5 protectors in each kit, and it can be ordered from any Zebra authorized reseller.
Okay. Great. Well, thanks for sharing the port protector with us, and thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.
Bye, guys.